All right, so we're trying to fill in this table, and they tell us that f of x and g of x are inverses. What that means is if x, y is in f of x, then yx is in g of x. So we're going to look at the x value. So I have -3, comma, -2 is in f of x. That means -2, -3 would be in g of x. Does that make sense?
No.
Let me do another one. If I know that -1, comma 1, -1, comma 1 is in f of x, right? When I plug in -1, I get 1. What does that mean about g of x?
Is it?
What do I do with those two values? I flip them. So when x is +1, g of x is -1. So go to my +1 for x. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
And -1 would be your g of x.
Mm-hmm.
So look at this one. If I've got, look at the last thing over here. If 2, comma 1 is in g of x, then 1, comma what? 1, comma 2 is in f of x. Make sense? So if -1, 0 is in g of x, then flip them. 0, -1, 0, -1 is in f of x. Got it? So what do I still need? I still need this one right here. So I'm looking for a 2. I'm looking for a 2 in f of x. Here's a 2. 1, 2 is in f of x, so 2, 1 is in g of x.
This top part, you would get 4 minus 1.
Isn't that like also enough of that?
Wait.
Yeah, that happens to be.
Yeah, so like the x value that it gives you, -1.
Oh yeah,
-1 squared is 1, right? And then 4 minus 1 is 3.
There's one
So you
more
take
that we
and
need.
set it equal to this function, because you're trying to make this
I'm looking for 0. Where is
So
0
to
in
put
f of x?
You put 3, right?
Yep.
ax
So
squared
0,
minus
-2.
3.
-2, 0
Is equal to 4.
means 0, -2.
Wait, so plug this.
That's how you do those
this,
problems.
Yep.
And the value gets